Good morning. My name is John Freddy Santos Aquino, and in this video, I will speak about values and principles in my life. Um, I I select five principles and values of my life. The first is the equity. Uh, the equity is a principle that is part of my life uh, because I think that the needs should be covered according of the priority and the benefits distributed according to the need of the person. How we can see in that picture uh, we can see the because the person that have the need to stay up in the picture of the right, we can see the cover they needed. Uh, Second is the responsibility. Something that my parents always showed me is the responsibility. I believe that each person time is worth a lot, and that if I have the commitment to do anything and I must to do it with charter and on time, keep my word because I think that if you speak and select to do one thing, do it at time because other people have responsibilities some the same of you, and I think that that is a big bad because I do that person save in my time. The third is the be fair. Something that I present in my life is being fair. I am not adjust, and I never want to be. But the Bible commands me to honor the one who deserves honor. If I know that someone deserves something because they have earned it, I try to ensure that a person receives it. Uh, and below under is the note that I apply this principle to the positive because in terms of evil, I don't like that anyone suffer. But wherever I can help that does not happen. Uh, I like that the person receive that I win, uh, and, but I want not that person so in different occasions suffer and nothing. Uh, I I am not being that. We who in life and go through His word that has shown me to be who. To know that even if someone does not see me, I know that I have to do what is right, not do what is wrong, because that does not bring good results. For example, is in the case that, for example, you work, you have a job in for example, a store, and you are the person that pays and manage the the money. If you are a person who you know that you can take and rob this money when people don't see you, and I think that uh, uh, Vules are very important and represent that you are. And the last is tolerant in love. I have learned to tolerate and love my neighbor because each person lives and deals with different problems and difficulties. So whenever possible, I must understand the situation of others and love them. I know that different people have different situations, and I think in my life too. And for that reason, I every time I try to tolerate and comprehend the other person in the situation. So thank you. That is different value and principle about my life. Thank you and see you later.